If you need to make some lactate brownies, all you need, get yourself a box of brownies. This is one of my favorite drops. Can you see it? And I normally put like a teaspoon in, and I add like flaxseed, Hershey's to make sure that I am staying with the chocolate flavor. So anytime I go see my postpartum clients and they're also doing my lactation consultation, I always bring mom some fresh baked lactation brownies. That's a lot to say. I think I am going to put the recipe on my website. Give me a day or two to put it all together, and I'll put it on my website so you guys can make it at home. But it's very easy. I've been making this for the same client. This will be year 3. She just had twins. So it has been a very busy week for me. But I have heard nothing but good things. Normally my clients get probably about an extra 4 ounces on each boob, and it stays like that for about a good few months. So I normally try to make these for them, if they ask, every 3 months. I have to make these for them, but it's very easy. I use flaxseed. I put the recipe up so you guys can get it, but when I finish, I'll make sure you see it. So I add cocoa to it. That's what you see on it. Cocoa. Because I have so many other things in it, I don't want it to overpower the chocolate of the brownies. Ready to go. Okay, guys, our brownies are ready. So I like to cut them while they're hot, and then I go back and separate them because I want to make sure that they're cooked all the way through. And these are my lactation brownies. If the client is okay, when I give them to her, I see if she'll do a review for me as soon as she tastes them, so you guys can see how they taste. And it's very easy to make.